If you missed my recent live, I did a pour with Mixed Media Girls Amazing Paints, and I want to recapture that and do a bit of a product review for you. So today we're going to be experimenting with Emerald, Caribbean Teal, Everglade Green, Gold, Deep Sea, and Electric Purple. I have also mixed up some Satin Enamels White mixed with pouring medium and water to thin. And hopefully this will give us our gorgeous cloud effects. And if you don't know, Mixed Media Girl, her lineup paint is ready to pour. You just want to shake it a little bit in the bottle. But man, she has some gorgeous, really pretty colors. So as you can see, this I've never even opened these, so we're just gonna have a little fun today. So today we're gonna do a straight pour, and we're gonna just layer our paints in a cup and see what we get. And let's start out with our white. Start with a little gold. Next we are gonna add a little emerald green. Followed by some Caribbean teal. All right, check out our gorgeous cup here. And we're gonna just pour this thing out. So our green kind of took over, but you can see some pearls popping up and a little bit of our purple. And I see some cells popping up here and there. So we're gonna slowly spread this bad boy out. Look at there, folks. Check out that cell action down there. Loving this, so different. Check out those gorgeous cells and look at those different colors. It's like metallics, but every little strand is a slightly different color. I couldn't create that in a million years if I tried. And you got some pretty cool lines here. And I think this is pretty dope. I like the composition and how the white stayed dead in the center. Made it very symmetrical for me. And it's like still white negative space, and I like that. So this time we're going to use the same colors, but we're going to mix things up a little differently. I'm going to use that same cup, and we're going to start out again with a little white in the bottom. And this time, let's start with a little Caribbean teal. Because my green overtook everything the last time, I'm not going to use that much this go around. Try this electric purple. And this go around, we're going to add some of the fairy dreams. Going to add our deep sea. Next is our little bit of emerald. Just a smidge. Wow. Check that out, my friends. No spinning, just tilting. Check this out. Gorgeous. Look at those lines. Let's do one more really quick. I love recycling the same cup because you just don't know what you're going to get. A lot of the paint has collected at the bottom, so we're just going to pour again. Wow. Look at that composition. I wish we didn't even have to spin this one. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. It's the depth for me. So much going on. Let me do one more spin. I don't think there's nothing we need to do. Look at that. Get you one final look here. Check that out. Is that not spectacular? Look at the pink and the creations. Oh my goodness. It's so busy yet so calming. All right, goodbye. And once again, we're going to use that same cup. Decided to do a different pattern, but I love the colors this time. That green is just very overpowering because I didn't use a lot of it. But look at the gold in there. All right, we're going to spin this bad boy out. Definitely psychedelic and just funky. I love the gold notes of blue mixed in with that pink. A little much on the white this time, but so different, so cool. Gonna do a little touch up. I really enjoyed painting with Marcy's paints today. This is Mixed Media Girl Paint, and I think it is definitely something that you should try, especially if you're a beginner or you're tired of mixing paint, because it's done for you and it's versatile. You can manipulate it, in different ways and do what you want to do with it. But today I just wanted to show you some amazing cloud pours that we did with little to no mixing. Just really had to mix one color and those spectacular dreamy results. So go and check out Mixed Media Girl. Let her know what you think of this video. Tag her so she can see it. And I hope you have an amazing day. Remember, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. And I will see you in another video very soon. Peace.